Hello everybody, I am Sakshi from YouTube channel Study with Sakshi Gaur. So in this video we are going to know about India size and location, that is from your geography grade 9th first chapter. So we are going to cover first chapter in this video. This is part 1. We are going to cover this chapter in 2 parts, and this is your part 1 video. So let us start with the chapter now. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted social economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly. 1 minute. In making of world history. So in this paragraph we are able to understand this, that India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. India ancient civilization में से एक civilization है. India has achieved multifaceted social economic progress during the last 5 decades. इंडिया ने अपनी इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस है जो सी वो अचीव कर ली है लास्ट 5 decades तक. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development. इंडिया में ब्रिटिश के राज होने के बाद उसने इतनी तरक्की कर ली है एग्रीकल्चर की फील्ड में, इंडस्ट्री की फील्ड में, टेक्नोलॉजी की फील्ड में और इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट की फील्ड में भी. और इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री में भी बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. सो location of India. Tell me the location of India. India is the vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. Figure 1.1. The main land extends between the latitudes 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, longitude 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. So आप इंडिया की पोजीशन देख सकते हैं. Here is India, that is located in the Asia continent. So let me tell you about the world map first. This is a Pacific Ocean, Tropic of Cancer, North America, South America, Atlantic Ocean, first biggest ocean, second largest ocean, Indian Ocean, third largest ocean, Africa, Europe और एशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ये फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट ओशन है और फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट ओशन. तो इंडिया की लोकेशन यहाँ पर पड़ती है, यहाँ पर इस तरह से पड़ती है. तो आपको ये डिग्रीज याद रखनी है. यू हैव टू लर्न these degrees. I hope you will learn. Don't see the Tropic of Cancer divides the India into almost 2 equal parts. फिर जो मिड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इज इन द मिडल ऑफ द इंडिया, इक्वली 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देती है इंडिया को. टू द साउथ ईस्ट एंड साउथ वेस्ट ऑफ मेनलैंड lie Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands Bay of Bengal में, Lakshadweep Islands Arabian Sea में. Did you know the southernmost point of the Indian Union is Indira Point, got subsumed under the sea water in 2004 during the tsunami. जो सा सबसे सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट है वो कौन सा है? इंदिरा पॉइंट. इंदिरा पॉइंट जौन सा 2004 की सुनामी में पानी के नीचे चला गया था। अब इंडिया के साइज की बात भी कर लेते हैं। वेट अ मिनट। द लैंड मास ऑफ इंडिया and has an area has an area 3.28 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer. Million square kilometer. So India total area counts 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. 2.4%. 2.4% it covers of the area of the world. It is clear that the India is the 7th largest country of the world from the figure 1.2. If you don't know about the seven largest countries in the world, first is Russia. That is located here. Second is your Canada, that is located here. Third is your China. Fourth is your United States of America. Fifth is your Brazil. Sixth is your Australia. Seventh is your India. So I hope it is clear to you all. India has a land boundary of about 15 kilometer, 50,200 kilometer. The total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, is this. So boundary कितनी है 15,200 किलोमीटर्स और टोटल मेनलैंड कितना है 7,516.6 kilometers, including Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep Islands. India is bounded by Young-Fold mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of the 22° north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, Arabian Sea on the west and Bengal Sea in the east. So India is bounded by fold mountains. That is 22° latitude. It begins in taper and it divides two seas, which is Arabian Sea and Bengal, Bay of Bengal. Look at the figure 1.3. So let us see. So look at the figure 1.3 and ये इतना जम्मू कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक 3,214 किलोमीटर है और यहाँ 2,933 kilometers. So I hope that 1.3 figure is clear to you all. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, this is the time of 2 hours. Hence, along the standard meridian time of India is this. Passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, it taken the standard time for whole country. The longitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from north to south from north. So there is a time lag between 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. and then you are able to why it is, you can read this up. Because of the standard meridian of India, which is 82 degree 30 east, passing through Mirzapur, and it becomes the standard time from whole country. So we are going to read this the topic which is left in our next video, because I want to make a short video of the introduction. So we have covered the topics till this, and from tomorrow we are going to cover this one also. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye, and be there.